How to add a local printer in Windows 10. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add a local printer in Windows 10. For this, you want to click on this Windows icon and click on the gear icon to open up your settings. Now, from this list, you want to click on the devices option. Now select printers and scanners option from this left-hand side menu. Now click on add a printer. Now it is searching for printers and scanners, and usually your printer should appear over here, but if it does not, then you want to click on the option of the printer that I want isn't listed. Now out of these options, go ahead and select the last option, which is add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Then click on next. Now here you want to select use an existing port and click on the next option. If you have a disk, you want to click on the have disk option. Now insert the manufacturer's installation disk and then make sure that the correct drive is selected below. If you do not have a disk, you can select the manufacturer over here and then simply select your printer model from here. You can also click on Windows Update, then click on the next option. Now enter your printer's name, then click on Next. Now you can choose if you want to share this printer or not, then click on Next. After that is done, you have successfully added your local printer. Now click on the Finish option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.